nice little horse. There's a nice little horse. Do 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 do. What do you think of that horsey? That's a nice horsey. Do you like that one? That one's very, very high-spirited. I don't think I like that horsey. Well, you get to know him for a minute. Jessie seems to be afraid of this horsey. Are you afraid of the horsey, Jessie? Are you afraid of that horsey? It's a nice horse. Very nice horse. And he came with his own saddle and everything. And you can't take the ears and the tail off of this horse. Well, he's a thoroughbred, and thoroughbreds are kind of high-spirited. So maybe he's not going to be the right horse for Jessie either. Well, we'll let them spend some time together and see. Hello. Oh, hello, Jessie. Oh my goodness, you landed on the kid. Oh dear. You landed on top of Susie. Poor. Oh no, that was Queenie. Poor Queenie. You scared Queenie. Oh, you scared Queenie. Poor kitty. Poor kitty. Never had a bird land on top of her when she's sleeping. That wasn't very nice, Jessie. That wasn't very nice. Yeah, poor kitty. Scared the kitty. Poor kid. Are you okay? Queenie. Queenie, Queenie. Jessie. Queenie, go. Queenie, go. Poor Queenie. Try, guys. Was it you or Queenie that he jumped on? Was it you or Queenie that he was... There. It's okay. It's okay. Poor kitty. Lie down, Sus. I know she's not gonna lie down with the bird. Are you crazy? That's just crazy. Jessie, nobody wants to play with you. Nobody wants to play with you, so you may as well come back. Come on. But he doesn't like this horse. Do 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 do. Hello. He doesn't like that horse. Go away, horsey. Go away. But he likes this horse.